The next movement in the Swimming in Chocolate Heavenly 7 series is called the chocolate ball. After fruity and nutty, bring your hands together like this. One hand is higher, palm facing down, while the other one is lower, palm facing up. And roll through your Tien as if you're rolling a ball of chocolate from one side to the other. And roll again. Now you don't need to roll too far. You just want your hands to be no further than over your leg each time you come to the end of the movement. Now here's a couple of things to watch out for. You want to make sure that your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Your knees are bent, of course, and your hips are tucked under. You're nice and relaxed. And as you turn, you want to make sure that your ankles and your knees are relatively still so that more turning is happening in your Tien, in your waist, in your hips, also known as the guas. Turn. The more still your knees are, the better your connection to the ground. Let your weight shift and shift. Turn, roll the chocolate ball, turn, roll the chocolate ball, turn. Return to the center, relax, and let your hands come down to your sides.